Hey guys, this is Will with Wild and Wonderful, and today we are going to build a greenhouse. Well, a miniature greenhouse. Okay, let's go over what I've done here. Sorry, got vehicles running around. Alright, this is going to be well, obviously, if you've done any gardening, you'll know what it's for. It's basically a miniature greenhouse. There's no feed in there. Go on, go play. It's a miniature greenhouse, okay? I'm going to use it for starting seeds. All the wood that was used was entirely pallet wood. It was actually really easy to make. The hinges, I saved those from an old camper we tore down. You can find them in mobile homes, stuff like that. They're extremely cheap design, but they work. The latch gave me some problems. First I tried a chain down here that didn't quite work. But I just got a chain link that you can get from any hardware store, and I just bent it into shape. And that's my latch. It's on level. The handle is just a chain link fence pipe bracket. Just bent that into a handle. They work really good for that. The shelves. Quit it, Daisy. The shelves, when I very first built it, I only measured the bottom shelf. Well, they're actually 3 different sizes. But all I had to do was just cut my notches bigger. So they'll all interchange now. I just salvaged these out of a junk freezer that I'd gotten from our local used appliance dealer that I needed for some feed. So I didn't have a use for these, and they're going to work extremely well for it. That one's even got a little basket on it. I did put a piece of plastic on the bottom, but I left it to where there's going to be, you know, some gaps just for water to run out of. I think it's going to work pretty good. The plastic is actually left over from the roof on this building I'm working in. So I didn't buy plastic specially for it. Now, I have used a powerful lot of staples on this thing. I didn't use that many staples and brad nails for the nail gun, but they're dirt cheap anyhow. I mean, I doubt I used like $3 worth. So, in all, I might have, if I include this, which I should not because this was actually for the goat building. We used it to hold on feeders. So that was scrap as well. But in all, if I count that, I don't know. I might have $5 in this. Maybe. That's pushing it. That's probably more than what I have in it. The only thing I did not like is the first day we were working on this, it was cold. And I didn't take the time to cut this to sit flush. So, I don't know if that's going to rip my plastic. We'll see. This is only 4mm plastic. Plastic's cheap. But, yeah, there we go. Another pallet project. All you got to have is an imagination and determination. And you can do all sorts of things. Alright, guys. I hope this idea helps you out. I'm not telling you to build it the way I built it. But if you want to build one and you have any questions, just ask. And I'm sure you'll be seeing this in future videos. I think today I'm going to start some put some potatoes in it. Well, no, that's a lie. It's cloudy today. And I want to stick a thermometer in it and see how warm it's going to get. Because that would suck. We have a nice sunshiny day and I baked my potatoes. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Will Wild and Wonderful. Later.